This is probably one of the easiest outdoor-indoor security cameras you will ever install.
Right here, we have a wireless battery-powered security camera from Noorio.
A camera from Noorio.
Noorio's security camera.
The Noorio security camera.
Thanks to Noorio.
Noorio security camera.
I think it's called Noorio.
Noorio wireless security camera.
Luckily, Noorio's
The Noorio Floodlight Cam Battery Pro.
Noorio.
The Noorio B210 is
The Noorio B210 Security Cameras.
Thanks to Noorio, they sent me this big hard white ball.
Firstly, it's really easy to install. You can set it up inside or outside.
It's a 1080p camera with a built-in microphone.
Crystal clear video quality with motion detection and color night vision.
And has a two-way talk function that I use every day.
Hey, what you doing there?
Plus, this one even has a floodlight on it.
This thing is IP66 waterproof, and I tested that just to be sure.
Jumping on here over into the app, like I said, there's a whole bunch of different security features. You can set it to behave differently for motion detection, whether you're sleeping, home, or away. This is super useful. Going over events, you can see all the different recordings the camera has made based on motion, sound, however you decide to program it. And here in the security section, you can change how all that behavior works.
Now this Noorio camera, you can find it on Amazon. And last but not least, picture quality. Watch this.
Right foot stomp and left foot stomp. You cha-cha with your right. You cha-cha with